Hey everybody, you're on the Geekbox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to cast to Samsung TV from Android. Let's go. Use Settings button. General. Network. Expert Settings. Turn on. Open Network Settings. Check your network. Your TV and your smartphone must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Enable Screencast option. Select your TV. Done. That's it. Now you know how to cast to Samsung TV from Android. If I've helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.